Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the sequential control part 4. Here I have a problem. The problem states that a double acting cylinder is used to press together glued component. Upon operation of a press button, the clamping cylinder slowly advances. Once the fully extended position is reached, the cylinder is to return for a time of t is equal 6 seconds and then immediately retract to the initial position. A new start cycle is only possible after the cylinder has fully retracted and after a delay of 5 seconds. During this delay, the finished part is manually removed and replaced with new parts for gluing. The retracting speed should be fast but adjustable. First, most crucial thing of this problem is to understand the sequence. What is happening? So when the operator initializes the sequence, what will happen? First, there will be a 5-second delay. Then a plus. Slowly. Suppose the name of the cylinder is A. Then 6-second delay. Then a minus, but fast. Then 5-second delay. So on. So this is the sequence. So now let's draw the circuit. Here I already drawn a throttle valve and a delay circuit. It will come in handy. First, a double acting cylinder. Now to control this double acting cylinder, I need a 5x2 DCV. Okay, to control this 5x2 DCV, I need 3x2 DCV. Now I want to give the operator the freedom of initializing and termination of this sequence. Here, these 3 DCV is for the operator. Okay, let's go in sequence. When operator pushes this button, a signal will go here, then a 5-second delay should be achieved. So I need a delay circuit. I will copy this. Okay, for this delay circuit, there will be a 5-second delay. Then A plus will go slowly. I need a throttle valve. I will just copy this. Okay, because of this, A plus will go slowly. Then there should be a 6-second delay. For that, I need another delay circuit. Let's copy this. Okay, then A minus will go fast. I particularly don't need a throttle valve, but it says that the retracting speed should be fast but adjustable. So we should add a delay circuit. And there is a 5-second delay again, and that delay will be for this delay circuit. Now let's connect this. Watch very carefully. But first I need to interchange this. This will make things easier. So watch. So this is the circuit connection, and now let me break it down to you. First, the operator will push this button. It will initiate the circuit. How is that? This side will get actuate. A signal will go through here, then here, and this side will get actuate. And this side will remain actuated unless the operator press the off button again. Okay, another thing is that this is a lever plunger. So it needs to sense something. So what it sense? it will sense this A0. Why is that? Because A0 is the initial position. Okay, so all matches, this side will get actuate, there will be a flow, and A0, we have A0 at the initial position, so this side will be actuated. Flow will go through here, and this flow will go through this delay circuit. After filling this container, a 5-second delay will be achieved. Then this side will get actuated, and signal will go through here and this 5 by 2 DCB. The left side of this 5 by 2 DCB will get actuated. A signal will go through here, and this intersection, this side is blocked, and this side is not blocked but restricted. So restricted flow will go through here, and A1 will be achieved. After achieving A1, I need to go to A0. So this lever plunger will sense A1. Now when A1 initiates, this limit switch will sense this A1. Then this side will get actuated. Flow will go through here and to this container. It will fill for 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, a signal will go through here and this side will get actuated. Then a flow will go through here. The right side of this 5 by 2 DCB will get actuated. A signal will go through here. In this intersection, this side is blocked, but this side is not blocked but restricted. So restricted flow will go through here, and A1 to A0 initiates. But this restriction is very less. So from A1 to A0 happens really fast. Okay. And when A0 initiates, this limit switch will sense that, and the cycle continues. So this is the overall solution. Now let me show you in the FluidSIM. This is the circuit. I did exactly what I explained. And now let me write something for better understanding. So I hope you understood the circuit earlier. So this limit switch will sense A0, this limit switch will sense A1. And let me show you the restriction value. This 5-second delay circuit will have 1.5% free flow, and this 6-second delay circuit will have 1.3% free flow. This throttle valve will have 90% free flow because the retraction speed is very fast but adjustable. But this side will have 2% free flow because I need to extend the cylinder very slowly. Let's start the simulation. Pressing on. I hope you I hope you understood what is happening. This is an automatic sequence. So when the operator pushes the on button, the cycle will go into a loop unless the operator pushes the off button. So that's all. This is the solution of our problem. If you have any doubt or any sequence you don't understand, please write in the comment. I will make sure to make a separate video for that. Allah Hafiz.